Pandora hunting with Debbie and Scuba Dude, and we have a ton of unboxing to do today. So I've been collecting this for a while and I thought, let's unwrap some goodies. All right, are you guys up for it? It's kind of a rainy day outside and I'm not sure if you can see, but it's pretty gloomy out there. So let's get some unwrapping cheer going on. Okay, let's go. Let's get into the first one. I'm going to try and do this without showing my address on here. We have this gorgeous ring, and you know what? This is supposed to be a size 7, and I don't think this is a size 7. This looks like it's a size 5 or 6, so that's a problem. I usually order rings for this finger here and not my ring finger, but we'll try it on. Yeah, this is really small. That's a shame. It does fit, but it's supposed to be a size 7, and that ring finger is about a size 6, so that's about a 50 or a 52. So I'm gonna have to think about that one. All right, let's go on to the next one. Let's try and find something that's gonna be fairly easy to open, because I can't find my scissors. This looks pretty easy. And it's got a nice card too. Hi Debbie, thank you. Hope you enjoy these earrings. Stay safe. I love the color. Look at that. That's funny. I'm gonna have to save that. All right. Let's get into these pretties. Let's see what we have. Pretty. The nice heart earrings. Love those. Okay, those were a good find. I'm quite happy with those. And yeah, they have the post on them. That's awesome, and I love the card. So that's cool. I'm gonna put that there. Let's stick that up together. Alrighty, how about we do this green one? I'm not sure what this is. Oh, this is Amazon. That's cool. These are just silk pillowcases. Scuba likes his silk pillowcases, so all right, that's not an unwrapping. Well, it is, but it isn't. We'll put those over there. Let's try this one. That's too funny. Scuba, you got more silk pillowcases. It's Pandora. Oh, no envelope. I think I know what this is. And if it's what I think it is, it's going to be amazing. Yeah. It's the two-tone bead I've been waiting for. I think it's called moss. That's gorgeous. Gotta love that. Look at all the gold dots. That's pretty cool. Scuba, what are you doing? I don't know what he found. to chew on, but we'll stop them from doing that. Anyways, that's a beauty. We'll stick that right there. That's going to go on my two-tone bracelet. That's beautiful. All right, we have one left. This gold one. This is wrapped really good. So, okay, got this one left. I was able to put a hole in the front of it. So I'm going to put that over there. Let's see what's in here. Wow, that came quick. This is the rose gold key, which is amazing. This just shipped the other day, and this came up on Poshmark, and I grabbed it right away because I think this is the 14 karat gold one, and I think I got this for like $20. So that's a good find. When I seen that, I just tried to grab that. Wow, that's cool. That's amazing. Super happy about that one. So that was from Ashley. I'm thrilled about that. Thank you, Ashley. I love that one. Okay, we're going to try one more here. And wrap this. And it's got a thank you sticker on it. So that's kind of cool. Oh, it's Tomasabo. And it says, with love, Tomasabo. So let me open this up. Oh, this is the bag. And the little card that comes with Tomasabo. And let me open up the box. Still not sure what's in here. That's right. It's got a D on it. It's the D necklace. I really like that. That was really cool. That is a nice extra to my Tomasabo collection. I'm thrilled about that one. So happy for that. So this is a really fun unboxing today. I'm kind of stoked with all this cool stuff. Not bad for a rainy Tuesday. We have the earrings. The pretty pearlized ring. I'm not sure about that. This is stunning. I think this is called moss. Thank you, Jahndra, for telling me what this is called, because I had no clue. Apparently it's called moss. And the expertise information I got was from Jahndra. So thank you, Jahndra. This is gorgeous. I love it. All right, and the rose gold key, and I'm pretty sure that's 14 karat, and the Thomas Sabo initial pendant has a D and a moon on it. It comes in a gorgeous box. With love, Thomas Sabo. So that's cool. I love this. This is funny. Happy Just October. That's cool. That's just funny. Pretty cool. All right. Thank you for coming to my unboxing. And I will be talking to you guys soon. Wow, I really like that. This is kind of a fun day. I'll have to put up some more pictures. Take care. Thank you for coming Pandora hunting with Debbie and Scuba Dude, and this is an unboxing. Take care.